Westkone presents our FlyTest MP12 Flying Test Pro multifunction test platform, designed in Finland. The multifunction test platform is designed to provide you with a complete test for your printed circuit board assembly, with the use of either black box or white box testing, analog and digital components and device assembled boards with both through-hole and SMT devices can be tested at the board level function. Our MDA test inspects each circuit net in order to infer the quality of interrelated components and soldering status, while the function test verifies the intended functionality of a given printed circuit board assembly. This function test often outperforms automated optical inspection, X-ray analysis, functional tests, flying probe, and in-circuit tests. Our FlyTest MP12 outperforms these tests by putting to use the combination of the flying probe, magnetic fixed mnemonic drive, and functional test. Among test types, the function test is the only power-on test. Because a printed circuit board assembly must be able to function properly when powered on, this function test is absolutely indispensable. With the current trend of continuing PCBA miniaturization, the accuracy and precision provided by a flying probe test has become a necessity. With a precision tolerance of 10 micrometers, it can provide far more versatility than a traditional electrical fixture test. Bottom side magnetic fixed mnemonic probes found underneath the unit under test provide for additional approaches and applications such as power supply, bus communication, and digital signals. In addition to the power on test, the FlyTest MP12 can also provide a power off test. A power off test is focused on testing individual components, including integrated circuits, by using AC signal stimulation and response testing. The FlyTest MP12 will help you understand after testing whether a good unit under test is in fact good, or if a defective unit under test is indeed bad. The FlyTest MP12 will also pinpoint problem and provide you with the data on the unit under test. Westkone's Flying Test Pro multifunction test platform takes these three key technologies: the power on function test, multifunction node probe, and the flying probe test, and combines them to introduce the flying probe functional test.